Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll outline the educational background and the work experience for an RCM facilitator, along with the essential skills and abilities necessary for effective RCM facilitation. RCM facilitators must have a strong technical background, like a technical degree or equivalent technical experience. This is important for several reasons. It enables RCM facilitators to understand the RCM process and how it applies to physical assets. It establishes professional credibility with both the RCM working group and the RCM validation team. And it allows RCM facilitators to discern technical issues and competently ask the right questions required to address each issue effectively in the context of RCM. Now let's talk about skills and abilities. An RCM facilitator should genuinely believe in the RCM process and embrace its principles with enthusiasm. They must be effective leaders, responsible for organizing, motivating, and inspiring team members to achieve goals in a timely manner while fostering high morale and a sense of order and direction. Diplomacy and tact are also crucial. RCM facilitators will work with people who have diverse personalities and dispositions and varying levels of education and competence. They need to effectively resolve differing points of view and gain consensus amongst RCM working group members. Additionally, strong writing skills are required, as facilitators must summarize comments from team members succinctly for inclusion in the analysis. Finally, RCM facilitators should have good interpersonal skills. They must conduct themselves in a manner that earns respect and fosters a sense of camaraderie as they spend significant time with working group members. Reliability-centered maintenance facilitators are like the captain of a ship. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in becoming an RCM facilitator or you're a manager who wants to train RCM facilitators, stay tuned because I will be announcing details of an RCM facilitator course that I'll be starting soon. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.